We all wish to walk into the office, wave a magic wand, and become the genius everyone admires. But since Hogwarts never sent that acceptance letter, we're stuck navigating the real world of PowerPoint and spreadsheets. But don't worry, these skills will make you seem just as magical. 1. Communication, aka the ability to speak in full sentences without sounding like you're negotiating with a toddler. Clear, concise, and confident. Nobody ever got promoted for saying, like, you know? 2. Time management. If only we could borrow Hermione's time turner. Until then, mastering the art of doing everything yesterday is crucial. The early bird gets the worm, but the well-organized bird gets the promotion. 3. Adaptability. Remember when you thought 2020 was going to be another year? The ability to pivot faster than Ross with a couch is now essential. Embrace change or get left behind with the dinosaurs. 4. Teamwork. Because we can't do everything alone. Whether you're the captain of the ship or rowing the boat, it's all about not sinking. Bonus points if you can do it without wanting to throw anyone overboard. 5. Emotional intelligence. This one's for dealing with Bob from accounting, who always seems to have one quick question when you're about to leave. Keep your cool, read the room, and maybe give Bob a stress ball. 6. Creativity. Sometimes you just have to think outside the box, especially when the box is on fire and the deadline was yesterday. Be the person who turns lemons into lemonade, and lemonade into a successful side hustle. 7. Resilience. It's the ability to smile and nod while internally screaming. Offices can be wild, but if you can roll with the punches and a bit of sarcasm, you're golden. Now, go forth and conquer the workplace. You may not have superpowers, but with these skills, you're pretty close. And if all else fails, there's always coffee.